Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create this animation in Figma. So let's jump into Figma and get started. Start by taking the cookie image or any pastry image and duplicate it. Now use the Photopea plugin and select this tool and draw 5 to 6 random shapes over the image. Now apply raster mask and save it. Go to image panel and crop the image to separate the pieces. Repeat this process for the other images. Now take a rectangle and place the main cookie image on the top. Adjust the background color, then add the text. Now bring in all the image pieces . And send them behind the main image. And select them and group them together. Take a rectangle about half size of the group . And send it to the back. Select the group and the rectangle and apply the mask. Duplicate the mask group and flip it. Select the group inside and flip it too. Repeat the same for the other images. take a frame. And place all the masked group inside. Duplicate the frame. And select the mask group and select the image inside the group and set the opacity to 0. Now move the pieces outside of the frame. Duplicate the second frame. And move the mask group outside of the frame. Connect the first and second frame using on-click interaction, smart animation, and apply custom. Paste these values with a duration of 1000 ms. Now connect second and third frame using after delay for 1 ms and custom. Paste these values. Repeat the process for the other frames. And that's it. You have created a fun animation in Figma. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Figma tutorials. Until then, keep creating and stay inspired. See you in the next video.